Hello beauties, welcome back to our channel. Ever wondered how to achieve that effortlessly radiant and youthful glow, just like the beauty icons of Korea? Today, we're diving into a powerful DIY skincare recipe that will help you achieve that flawless, glassy Korean skin naturally at home. This DIY face pack is not just a treatment, it's a ritual that promises to brighten, rejuvenate, and bring out your skin's natural brilliance. This face pack brightens your complexion, reduces fine lines and wrinkles with anti-aging benefits, and deeply hydrates your skin for a radiant, youthful, and nourished appearance. Ready to unlock the door to flawless, ageless skin? Let's dive in. First, take 2 to 3 medium-sized potatoes. Peel the potatoes and cut them into small pieces. Place the potato pieces in a saucepan, add a cup of water, and set the pan on the stove. Let them boil 8 to 9 minutes. After boiling the potatoes, allow them to cool slightly. Strain the water from the potato pieces. Place the potato slices and the boiled potato water into a blender and blend until smooth. Now that our potato paste is ready, let's proceed to the next step. Potatoes are rich in essential vitamins and minerals, such as vitamin C and B6, which help brighten the skin, reduce dark spots, and impart a natural glow. The starch in potatoes acts as a natural exfoliant, effectively removing dead skin cells and promoting cell regeneration. Transfer 3 to 4 tablespoons of the potato paste into a clean bowl. Rice flour. Rice flour has been a staple in Asian beauty routines for centuries due to its brightening and anti-inflammatory properties. It helps to lighten pigmentation, reduce fine lines, and gives your skin a smooth texture. 2 tablespoons of rice flour. Add 2 tablespoons of rice flour to the potato mixture and mix well. Almond oil. Almond oil is packed with vitamin E, which helps to repair the skin and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. It also lightens dark spots and provides a healthy glow to the skin. 1 tablespoon of almond oil to the mixture. Mix it well. Next, coconut oil. Coconut oil is deeply hydrating and rich in fatty acids, which help to nourish and moisturize the skin. It also has anti-inflammatory properties that soothe the skin and prevent premature aging. Add 1 spoonful of coconut oil to the mixture and mix it well. Next, olive oil. Olive oil is rich in antioxidants and healthy fats, which protect the skin from environmental damage, keep it supple, and prevent signs of aging. Add 1 tablespoon of olive oil to the mixture and mix it well. Finally, add lemon juice to the mixture. Lemon juice is a natural astringent and is rich in vitamin C, which helps to brighten the skin and even out the skin tone. It also helps to control excess oil and reduce acne. Thoroughly mix all the ingredients until well combined, and your revitalizing face pack is now ready for use. Begin by cleansing your face. Apply the mask evenly, gently massage in circular motions. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes, and then rinse off with lukewarm water, patting your skin dry. This face pack is suitable for different skin types, providing deep hydration for dry skin, controlling excess oil for oily skin, and balancing moisture for combination skin. Each ingredient in this face pack plays a crucial role. Boiled potato mixture hydrates and brightens, rice flour exfoliates, coconut oil moisturizes, almond oil repairs, olive oil protects, and lemon juice brightens and controls oil. By incorporating this DIY face pack into your skincare routine 2 to 3 times a week, you can achieve that glassy, flawless Korean skin at home. This mask not only brightens and rejuvenates your skin, but also provides powerful anti-aging benefits, keeping your skin youthful and radiant. Give it a try, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more skincare tips and DIY beauty recipes. Your support helps me create more content like this. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and support my channel.